this lifetime, it better be the right time. The first time might be your last time. Am I a failure? If I've got nothing to lose, no, I'm not a failure. I've got something to prove. I'm not listening, not anymore. The more I learn, the more I know. I'm not listening, not anymore. The more I hear, the more I know. The more I know. 'Cause I've lost my innocence, and I'm a stranger, a life changer. I'm a man that's not afraid of danger. I walk my own path and blaze my own trail, because I'm not afraid to derail. I won't get in line, I'll be your middleman. So fuck you, I make my own plans. And I got respect, and I don't neglect the people that I really care to protect. Am I a failure? If I've got nothing to lose, no, I'm not a failure. I've got something to prove. I'm not listening, not anymore. The more I learn, the more I know. I'm not listening, not anymore. The more I hear, the more I know. I told you before, I won't listen no more. I told you before, let's settle the score. I told you before, I won't listen no more. I told you before, let's settle the score. If not me, then who? If not now, then when? If not me, then who? If not now, then when? I'm not listening, not anymore. The more I learn, the more I know. I'm not listening, not anymore. The more I hear, the more I know. I told you before, I won't listen no more. I told you before, let's settle the score. I told you before, I won't listen no more. I told you before, let's settle the score. Shut it up, wait out. Blow it up, shut it out. Fuck it up, chuck it out. Blow it up, blow it out right now.
Believe it or not, everyone have things that they hide. Believe it or not, everyone keep most things inside. Believe it or not, everyone believe in something above. Believe it or not, everyone needs to feel loved. Feel loved, but we don't, and we won't until we figure out. Could someone deliver us and send us some kind of sign? So close to giving up, 'cause faith is so hard to find. She love and you won't until we figure out. Seen it a lot every time the world turns upside down. Believe it or not, most of us feel like we're losing ground. Believe it or not, everyone hate admitting fear. Believe it or not, most of us wanna know why we're here, but we don't, and we won't until we figure out. Could someone deliver us and send us some kind of sign? So close to giving up, 'cause faith is so hard to find. Someone deliver us, just send us some kind of sign. So close to giving up, 'cause faith is so hard to find. She love you won't until we figure out. Most of us have nothing to complain about. Most of us have things we could live